How's it going, people? Today we are going to be cooking one of the most amazing dishes, chicken jalfrezi. Firstly, you're going to need 2 onions, one finely chopped and one chopped into medium pieces, 2 red and green peppers, some garlic and some green chilies, and some coriander. Also, don't forget some tomatoes. I'm using 2 medium-sized chicken breast chopped into small pieces. Now you want to remember to cut it into small pieces, otherwise the flavor isn't going to go into the chicken. I use olive oil for all my cooking. It's a very healthy option. Well, it's better than others. After the oil becomes hot, you want to fry the garlic until it becomes brown and then chuck the chicken onto the pan and sear it until it becomes white. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix really well until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. And then once the chicken is fully cooked, remove the chicken onto another plate. Onto the same pan, add a bit more olive oil, and once the oil becomes hot, add some chopped onions and stir until it becomes brown. Then add the green and red peppers and medium chopped onions. Stir for around 5 minutes. Then add half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and 2 chopped tomatoes. After stirring for a few minutes, add half a cup of water and cook until sauce becomes thick, and then add the chicken back onto the pan along with some green chilies and chopped coriander and cook until it's done. Chicken jalfrezi is well served with plain jasmine rice or basmati rice. Please like, share, subscribe for more amazing recipes.